Hello friends, it's Jana and today is another repotting video. This time is the Astrophytum cacti. So I have right here 3 of my cacti that I have for a long while now. Didn't decide to repot them, but this I got this just like with the time I got my variegated Ritchii, the euphorbia. This is also a beautiful plant, which is a kind of astrophytum, and it looked like a crown too. And I like this plant, and the roots are healthy on this one. But I am going to show you what happened to this other two, because this I got this few months, or I think last month I got this. Oops, sorry. I got this, and when I opened it today, I noticed that it has some boo-boo underneath here, but it is not rotten anymore. It's not soft, it is dry. So friends, I am glad to see this, because I was gonna water them not knowing that it has something going on underneath here. So far it is actually dry, so let's just see what's going on underneath here. It actually did had some rotting issue, but friends, cactus friends, if you know if this is gonna be okay, well, so far it's living, it's okay, but let me know if this is gonna be a continuous problem that I'm going to face. So still, I am going to repot this today, making sure this is not touched with any of the soil. That way I can observe what's going on here, because actually the same thing what happened to my domino cactus. It started with kind of totally rot because of the rain, and it was too late for me to save. But this one looks like we can still save them, and this one is different from the other one. I believe this is the same Astrophytum family, but this one, I believe when I looked online, it looked like it is goat's horn Astrophytum. Let me know friends if I'm right, because I don't know about this type of plants, but I just love them because look at the shape on this, friends. Lovely, right? Very pretty. All those 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 rings. This one has, is that what you call ring? But I don't know. But this one has 5. Look like a star. But I like this one because it has that in beautiful circular, or the design on this is just so pretty, and I couldn't resist it. Oops. And this one also has the same issue. Look at that. I am so glad that I did not water them so much, because it would probably be dead if I did do that, because it looks like it is really looking sad right there. Alright friends, well, I am gonna repot it right now. I already have my soil ready in a pot. I'm grabbing it right now, and let's move it right here. I know what to do. Let's see. I probably would start with this. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna put 2 right here. Look like eyeballs. I'm thinking if it fits. So what I did when I took it out, friends, it was so dry. I was thinking of wetting it to get it water soaked up in water, but I didn't do that. That way it won't get me so sticky too, because I don't like that mess, because it's already messy enough. So let's take that bark right there. So I'm just gonna put this next to each other like an eyes, 2 eyes, 2 eyeballs, and I'm gonna put this one like a nose. I don't know what I'm thinking, friends. I was going to separate the bottom in here, but I'm afraid to really pull off the roots because it's very dry. So I'm just gonna plant them. At least I was able to wiggle this around a little loose, so I can see what's going on here. So let's just put the nose here. Okay, does it look like a nose yet? It's hard to say because I'm like in the side of my angle right here, the camera, while I'm trying to pot this. So right here, I love how the way the turn, the twist of like the circle, just so pretty. So well, they're not the same size to be eyeballs. If they were real eyes, they would look weird. One is bigger right here. Well, I'm not trying to do that way, so I just figure out that would look like that. And then I wonder what flower this will give, right? I wonder what it is. Gonna be exciting to see. Well, all right, I'm gonna add the top dressing on this. See how it goes. I'm enjoying repotting in this few weeks now, friends. You know, once you got all your tools out and on the side, so I just end up grabbing the next day what I want to add, what I want to do for my video, because I'm kind of running out of ideas of what I'm gonna do, and I want to be able to post in a video. So you know, because I have so much plants and I need to just the courage to just do it and just do it, because I have a lot to repot and show your friends, and you know what I did to my plants. That way, if you guys have any questions, I could help out too. So oh, I should have turned this a little bit sideways so it will look like a star right here. Probably too late now. Wait, I can wiggle it around still. Okay, there you go. I don't know if that makes sense, but I like it like that. Well, I just added them up, and let us clean this now. So I made sure they're not touching, so let me clean it up. Alright friends, well, here they are all done, and I hope they'll be happy in this new pot. Please let me know if you guys have experience of those things that I've seen on the bottom of this that were rotting. Please let me know or advise me on what to do, that way I can help this plant thrive and actually bloom, because I love this plant. This is actually my favorite cacti in my collection, because as you can see, the shape here is so pretty and I love them. So I want them to thrive. Please help me out, let me know what to do, and hopefully this will not continue on rotting after I water this. And I'm also thinking of bottom watering this plant. Well friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next time. Bye bye, happy planting. Bye bye.